Here's how to fix profile views on TikTok. Now, if you're on TikTok, but it's not allowing you to see all of those profile views, I'm going to walk you through some reasons why that might be and how to get it fixed. So first, let's hop into TikTok and I'm going to swipe up. Let's tap on the profile at the bottom right. And you can see those two footsteps at the top right. Let's tap on those and you can see all of these profile views. Now, it might look like this. Let me tap the gear icon and turn it off. It might look like this. That basically just gives you the ability to turn it on. But if this is not a feature that you see, potentially you can go back and tap those three lines at the top, right? And then settings and privacy. Now let's hop into the privacy. And you can see on here, if I scroll down towards the bottom is profile views. So I can tap on that and I can enable it directly from here. So if you go through these steps and you still aren't able to turn it on, I recommend opening up the App Store or Google Play Store. And let's just search for TikTok here and update the TikTok app. So if it says right next to TikTok to update it, just get the latest version on there. And if you go through all of these steps and you're still not able to, there are some requirements in terms of allowing those TikTok views, profile views to be turned on. One thing is you have to be 16 years or older and you have to have fewer than 5,000 followers to have access to the feature. This is directly on the TikTok support page. So if you're under 16, then you won't be able to turn that on. And in addition to that, if you have more than 5,000 followers, maybe this just swamps out their servers because you might get a ton of profile views within 30 days. Hope this helps. If you have any questions on that, leave them in the comments down below and I'll catch you on the next one.